Ons gaan op nasionale politiek niks regkry nie, niks verander nie. Die regering van nasionale eenheid is die grootste teleurstelling. Ons 'n klomp mense wat ons uitverkoop. As ons 'n ware toekoms wil hê, moet ons op gemeenskapsvlak mag begin terugneem. Waar jy kan vat, moet jy vat.
The right of a community exercising its right to self-determination. Management, the 235 movement is preparing to expand the model across the country.
There's a continuation of arrogance, of not appreciating what we are trying to do, other things, because you must appreciate that by now, we haven't even demolished this place. If we allow you as a settlement that you haven't followed the processes, we may as well allow another settlement in Atteridgeville.
If you have done the last 32 years.
Yes, it's like the situation in Orania. They want their own town, and you have made it clear that you don't want to follow this constitution. You don't want to be led by this municipality. You want to be independent, right?
Yes.
Yes, you said so. You want your own special arrangement of your own people, because you must also not shy away that you want a white-only place.
That's not what we think.
No, it's what you want.
No.
On your delegation, you don't have even a
I
black
have
person.
not-
So he's afraid to say it.
I'm
You
not
want
saying-
Afrikaner-only place.
Yes, what's wrong
That's
with
what
it?
you want.
What's wrong with it?
No,
Well, what is wrong with it? Can Zulus have a Zulu kingdom? Can Zulu land?
Yeah, but we have a history of racism.
So it's because of history of racism that we can not want our own place. So what? We want our own place.
You are very dangerous.
We're dangerous. Look how much crime is in the country. Who's dangerous?
We're not singing kill the black.
Yeah, but the farmers are killing our people. No, that you are killing your
Can you have your own words? Say that now on the record that we are racist.
He says we're dangerous.
You have used of racism.
Say that you're a communist.
You
wear a shake.
Yeah, I'm a communist, you are racist. But why do you want to have a conversation with communists? Why
Yeah, that's why we want to be
Yeah, so
independent.
why don't you do what you want to do without following the law and see if we will leave? Where? Can you give us your rezoning? Who approved these plans of this board?
It's a private land.
This is lawlessness.
Dis baie duidelik dat die EFF ons haat. Ek bedoel daar's geen verskoning oor hoe hy hierdie ding benader het. As 235 beweging moet ek vir mense daar by die huise sê, as jou oë nou nog nie oop is nie, dan moet jy vinnig oop gaan. Hierdie ouens haat ons. Hulle gun ons nie 'n stukkie son nie. Hulle wil 'n meerderheid gebruik om ons as klein minderheidsgroep letterlik op ons te trap.
Artikel 235, volgende jaar in die verkiesing, in die munisipale verkiesing, gaan ons areas begin terugvat. Ons moet meer autonomie begin kry, meer beheer oor ons eie munisipale belastings, meer beheer oor ons eie sekuriteit, meer beheer oor ons eie toekoms in ons eie areas. Ons skuld hulle niks, ons skuld onsself 'n toekoms.